Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Vampire's Bloodlord Rising game controller or gamepad not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update controller drivers. So for that, first you have to connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand human interface devices. Select the controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. Once done, now launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, now check whether gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller. Here you have to select enable Steam input and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check if it's working now. If the issue continues, come back, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working or not. So go to Steam and here you will see an update option available. If there is any update, click on it, and once the game is updated, check whether gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Click on check for updates option and wait for some time. If there is any update, update your Windows to the latest version and then launch the game and check if whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now click on Bluetooth and devices, and here your gamepad will be added. You have to first remove it. For that, click on 3-dot icon and click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. Once your system restarts, again come back, go to settings, Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on here and add your controller, and after adding your controller, check whether it's working or not. If not, then you are suggested to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google. Now once the website opens, here you have to click on download option, and after that you will be redirected to the next page. From here you have to select and download the DS4 Windows tool. Now once it is downloaded, you have to install it, and after installing, connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch Vampire's Bloodlord Rising game and then check for the error. So using these methods, you can easily resolve gamepad or controller not working issue in Vampire's Bloodlord Rising game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.